I have an abundance of zucchini in the garden right now, so I made this roasted zucchini soup from the Skinny Taste website. It is so delicious. Let me show you how to make it. I'm excited about this recipe because this zucchini is from my garden, the oregano, fresh thyme are from my garden, as well as this bulb of garlic. It's so rewarding to use your own produce. First thing we're gonna do is cut our zucchini into chunks. We're gonna roast everything on the stone bar pan, and it's a very simple way to cook everything all in one pan. So you want chunks that are about like this. Now for the garlic, we need to slice it in half this way. The easiest way to do that is with a bread knife. Just saw all the way through. And it exposes all the cloves. Now we're gonna add about 2.5 tablespoons of olive oil. This is our oil and vinegar dispenser. I'm gonna squeeze this until the oil shows that it's up to that 1 tablespoon mark. And then I'll do it again. Just drizzle it all over your vegetables. That pre-measured squeeze is great when you're cooking. Okay. Everything gets a light toss. And we're gonna make a space in the center. Now because I've tossed everything, there's a little bit of olive oil right here. That's okay. And then I've got 6 ounces of feta cheese. I had a package that was started and I opened up a new package and weighed it to make sure I had 6 ounces. You're just going to set that right in the middle. And now we'll make a little space here for the garlic. Just put it in there cut side down, and the garlic will roast along with the vegetables. Just a little crack of salt and pepper. Pretty fun and easy, right? And then you'll take those fresh herbs and just lay them over the top. I'm gonna pop this in the oven, 400 degrees, for about half an hour. Here are the vegetables, they're all done. You'll see the herbs kind of shrivel, right? We don't need these anymore, so I'm just gonna pull those out and we'll get everything ready to go into the blender. I'm gonna take the garlic off and let it cool slightly so I can squeeze out that roasted garlic. Now the rest of this is going to go into the blender. We're gonna make a nice creamy soup. You're gonna add the feta cheese, everything that's on the pan here. Now we wanna squeeze the garlic to get the cloves out. One of the best ways to do that, I think, is just to mash it with a fork. That way you can get it out and not burn your fingers. Roasted garlic is so delicious. Now go ahead and add some chicken broth. You can use vegetable or chicken broth. And I'm gonna blend this all up so it's nice and smooth. This recipe can be enjoyed warm or cool. Our soup is nice and warm. Let's take a look at it together. If you like creamy soups, but you'd like to have the kind that are guilt-free, this is a really good one for you. Super tasty. If you like your soup to be a little thicker, you can use a little less broth. Isn't that nice? Now you can garnish if you want to, a little more feta. Just add it over the top. And there we go. A satisfying soup made with roasted vegetables. I hope you'll give this a try.